Hi everybody, welcome to Belix Designs and Home Solutions, where we bring all your um, interior design stuff, decoration hacks, and also cleaning hacks. Please subscribe to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about this transformation, house transformation or kitchen transformation that I've done. It's done by Belix Design. So this is the kitchen before. I'm going to walk you through the kitchen. So if you see that's the kitchen before, I've got some workers in there trying to demolish the kitchen. So I'm going to walk you through just to show you how the kitchen was before, so you can see everything that has been taken away. So there's a kitchen and a living room separated in this property. So I would probably, just walk you around and show you on a high level how the kitchen looked like and how detailed it was before the transformation. So this was the living room area that if you walked into it. So it was quite small. It had a fireplace and another wall separating the kitchen. So we actually demolished the fireplace and that wall, and this is the kitchen afterwards. So this is the after the finish. This is how it look. I'm just going to walk you through what I've done to this kitchen on a high level and show you what I've bought as well, and the reason why I bought the kitchen or the appliances or whichever product I bought. So that looks really beautiful, isn't it, from a glance of it? So that's the after, and I will actually just give you a quick tour to see how it looks like, because we've actually making an open plan rather than separating it into a kitchen and a living room. So with an open plan, obviously, it makes it looks bigger. For the purpose of Airbnb, it makes it quite, spacious as well. So, you can have a family sitting here with big space, ample space for people to sit in there. So, yeah, I will, start walking through what I've got. And the theme is blue and white and grey. So I have got, obviously, a standard breakfast stuff, which is the kettle and the toaster is in blue. Again, you're going to see a lot of blue in here because that's the main theme, the color for this particular property. So yeah, so you've got one of those in there. So I kind of blend that with the canister. So I've got, sugar, tea and coffee. Again, there's that one of, the must have that you need in a property. You don't need to put in the canister, but it makes it more presentable and also blends quite well with the color theme. Um, you can get this from Dornham, Amazon, Tesco, whichever, high street shop you want to get it from. And you've got, I bought a Beko washing machine and a dryer. So you need a dryer in an Airbnb because people come in for maybe a weekend to wash and dry. They wouldn't probably, want to use, air dryer. People can use it, but it's quite nice to have a washing machine and a dryer. And also make sure that you put in your manual so that people can use it if they don't understand how to use it, or put instructions for people to follow. So it is, I think, it's 8 kilometer drum, I think. And it's a B category for energy, and 7 kilometer. So that a kilogram, sorry. So that is a big drum. It's reasonable. It doesn't have to be bigger than that. It's not a family living in there. So I look at that drum as well. So they're almost similar sizes. Um, so yes, so I just bought the same brand. It's easier as well, and for consistency and presentation purposes, I bought the same brand. And the next thing is the dishwasher. I got a smaller, medium-sized dishwasher. You need that in your Airbnb. So also, it's not too big, it's not too small. It's an average size, which is okay. It does the job. The same brand for consistency. The color as well for the white goods is white. I do like it. It just blend quite well with the theme of the kitchen as well. You can get any brand you like, but I think the Beko quite worked well and the price was reasonable. So yeah, you can see the trays on there, and for cutleries and pots and pans. So that is quite a nice one. Again, put instruction manuals for people to learn how to use it if it's not quite clear. Not everybody know how to use all the dishwashers, so you might want to put some instructions and make it easier for your guests. Yeah, we've got a cooker. I got that cooker with the the burners, and you can see that it's quite easy to clean with a splash bag. So make sure you also have a splash bag, otherwise it will be difficult to clean any stains on the wall. So that is a good one, the acrylic ones at the back. So those panels as well make it easy. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed before. It keeps this channel going, and please, like and share. That'll be much appreciated. Again, back to the kitchen. Yeah, this makes it clean, easy to clean. You can see that simple, it does the job, not so complicated burners, which sometimes when it's more complicated, it makes it more difficult to clean. So that is the extractor fan. Again, standard one. Make sure that your cleaners wash it or every now and then, take it out and put it in the machine. You can see some of my other videos that I've done before relating to that. So that's a block of knives. Again, it quite blends with the greyish and the neutral, with it and the walls as well. So that's a good one. Get a block of knives for your gas, and you've got the cookery and cutlery section. Again in blue for consistency, matches the theme. Make sure that all loaded in there. It's got almost everything you need, all the accessories that you need, and spoons and knife, the wicks for people that do the baking. You've got the pizza cutter as well. So make sure you've got everything that your guests might need, because people do a lot of takeaway, so that's quite handy on there. And you've got the mittens and stuff like that and in there. So yeah, make it easier for people to use, and make sure you got everything stock for the basic. If you want to go overboard, that's fine, but this is a business, don't do so much luxury stuff, but things that are durable. So yeah, you've got pots and pans there. I've got a few pots there. Again, make something that is easy to wash and clean and is durable. Not too much luxury, because obviously you're going to pay similar prices. And yeah, so the next one will be, I decided to go for an imbued microwave, because just to make sure that we maximize the space. It's a little bit expensive. Also, in Airbnb, people take stuff away, so it will be difficult for somebody just to, take that off. So for two purposes, so to create space, and also that people don't take that away. So I got the Lamona one. It's 3-year warranty. It's a good one. About 150k pounds rather. So it does the job, and also the same oven down below, same brand. It works quite well, and it is quite easy to clean. And you can see I have a food cover in there, so get that for 2 or 3 quid. It does the job, and it also help protect you from cleaning the microwave all the time, or messing it up. So less depreciation. If your guests can use that, then that would be great. Some people don't use it, but at least if they see it, some will be forced to use it, so that's quite good to have. A small medium-sized oven has got 3 layers in terms of the trays, so that's another one as well. So if you open it, you can have a glimpse of how that looks. Standard oven, it does the job. It's good. Put the instruction manuals there if people don't know how to use it, or how to put it on. It makes life so easy. The next one with the fridge freezer, I got the baker as well, so it's all consistent. You can see some consistency in there. If you want to make it a bit more professional, you make it consistent, but it's also your choice, whatever you want to do. But I think this makes it quite good. So yeah, a standard fridge, good size fridge, at the top with some, you've got some manuals there, but we're going to take that out. It's still new. And obviously we've got a freezer down at the bottom shelf, so that's ample space for your guests to use the fridge freezer. It's a freestanding one, because sometimes freezer tends to get frozen, and you want to take it out and clean it, and then it's easy. I didn't do the imbued, so for that reason, it makes it easier for me. Next one is a bin. So obviously I've got a bin there. So again, get a large bin, so that people don't, some guests just do things, put stuff and it's overfill. So that's about 20-litre bin. So, and also put in some bags so that people can easily see that, or your guests can easily see the bin bags. And sometimes I put some of it underneath the bin bag, so when they remove it, you can actually see more, extra bin bags there, and people can easily, take it out. Sometimes people are just lazy. So another thing is, a dining table. So instead of getting a freestanding dining table, I did an island. So this one has got an island in the center of the kitchen. It can take up to maybe 10 people if you want to squeeze it. But now I've got 6 chairs. There's 2 bars. Nice. It's got some gold, metal, 2 bars and a bit of a cushion on it, so it's a bit soft when people sit on it, not too hard. So that's a bit stylish one. It is nice, it's presentable, and also it's easy to wipe off, not mess up. It's an Airbnb, so you have to think about the implication of things getting ruined over time or depreciating over time. So I have got the colours on there, just put that there for presentation, and also my recommendation, if you can get the cleaners to do that, if they have the time to just set the table off for presentation, it gives a first impression when somebody opens the door just to see this. It's quite nice. And that table runner, it's not so expensive, but it gives a good impression. And you get good reviews, just the little things if you have the time, and then it goes a long way. So that is quite good. You can see the colours are blue. I did mention that before. It matched well with the curtains and that. So yes, this look really nice. If you like it, hit the button as well, so it blends with the colours and everything else. So I'm bringing you back because I just want to show you some essential stuff on the colour side of things. Make sure you get some spatulas and spoons, get enough of them, because some people like serving spoons when they have a family, they want to serve food on the table, and a scissors is something that people tend to miss it. So it's quite really useful when you go to an Airbnb, you find a scissors to cut stuff. That's really good. And also a can opener, wine opener, make sure you have that, and an ice cream spoon. So those little things, it just make it quite handy. When people come there, they see everything they want to, or everything that will typically have in a home. And yes, those little ones add up, and it's really, really nice to have them. So I hope you're enjoying it so far. I'm not that boring, but if you've watched this far, thank you. Please hit the subscribe button and also like and share. That's really much appreciated, and thank you for watching this. If you're a regular person, I do appreciate the time you take to watch this. And yeah, we've got more of these drawers down below. Again, you can see that you've got so many extra stuff there, and a carrot peeler or potato peeler on there as well. So it just make it life easy. Spatulas for your guests, and a whisk for people that bake. So I'll appreciate if you actually give me some feedback on what you think. So yeah, so that's good. Next thing is I've got some cups. They're actually in blue, but the lighting has got it wrong. It makes it look maybe darker, but yeah, that's some tea mugs or coffee mugs for you to use for your guests. So those are the things that I've bought. And also you've got your bowls and pans and dishes and plates, more of them to use. So what I would say, if you buy loads of them, don't put too much. I've got a beaker there, plastic beakers. The reason I've got those is because you get children that you don't want to give glasses to them, to break them. So if you've got kids that have got children, then it's user friendly, they can use that. So yeah, cleaning products, make sure you stock them, your cleaning things. I've got the washing soap liquid and stuff like that, Able Grease. You can see I love Able Grease. I always talk about Able Grease. They do have quite a lot of stuff, but you can use anything. So again, make sure you've got little things there for people to use. And another thing that people tend to miss out is a clock. You need a clock. The reason you need a clock in an Airbnb is because people come from different time zones. It just makes life easy for them when you wake up in the morning, and you can, see what the local time is. So yes, so the basic things. Clock costs £5. You can get that. Again, I've got a radiator, not the normal traditional one, just a nice slim one in the living area or in the kitchen. It doesn't take a lot of space. It's painted in blue again to be consistent. This is the sofa. It's a sofa bed. It blends quite well. The blue, the gold, and the natural color. It blends really well with the building and the space. That's a wallpaper. I've put that to accentuate the look, bring in some, you know, nice modern style into it. Don't make it more modern. So I've got those little, you know, boxes on there just so we can decorate it. It looks nice. Put some green plants in there to help lift it up a little bit. So yeah, TV standard one, you put that on there, and then you've got like the curtains in blues as well. So again, this just make it look, you know, nice, stylish, simple and classic. So yeah, the TV does the job. Again, I have just put it on the wall. Again, it creates space, enough space than just leaving it on a cabinet on the floor. And, you know, that makes it so it takes much space, considering that, you know, we don't have plenty of space in the UK. So putting your TV on the wall makes it quite easy, and also preventing people from just, you know, taking out. Yeah, we've got some plants and stuff. So yeah, I'm just giving you a quick whisk in the room again. You see a tour just on the finer bits, and I hope you've enjoyed it and you're enjoying it if you've come this far. Again, thank you for watching. Put in some comments out there for me to, you know, see what your thoughts are. That looks really, really beautiful to me. I don't know what you think, but it's really beautiful, simple, classic and posh. Clean. You can see the cabinet is in blue and white. I blended two colors just to bring it out, and the flooring as well. So please hit the subscribe button. You know, see the lights as well, everything. We've got some spotlights to bring in more light, especially in the winter when it's really dark. So yeah, so that looks really nice. We've got more stuff. Thank you for watching.